Highland Hill Farm is a tree and plant nursery in Pennsylvania. In Milan, PA, we have a number of farms that we own and grow trees on. We have about 250 acres of river flats, which is used mainly to grow corn. On these river flats, you can hunt duck, geese, and deer. We're offering this up for a yearly lease for duck, goose, and deer hunters. If you're interested, give us a call at 215-651-8329. Most of what you see in the picture between Route 220 and the Susquehanna River are the river flats that we own. These river flats also contain Indian artifacts, so if you like to hunt for artifacts, this is the place to do it. If you want to hunt in other properties that we own, we have a number of ranches in Montana and in New Mexico, which we will let you hunt if you're leasing this property. But you will need to be able to get the tags and transportation to Montana or New Mexico to partake in that offer as well. If you'd like to call and discuss what we have available, please call me, Bill, at Highland Hill Farm at 215-651-8329. Thank you.
This video is brought to you by Highland Hill Farm. We grow and sell screening and buffering trees for privacy and sound barriers.